Father God, please guide and protect us there. Everything gone down.
Don't let it tear. Don't tear down.
This is down the summer. Go down for another come down.
Yeah, there.
Come here, sir. If I go over there, if I go down, you die. Don't go down there.
Oh my God.
Mama, it's done it. It's done. It's done. It's done.
Like this. Tell me where the Blood Creek River come from up that side. All bamboo afloat. No, sir. Right now, I can wash it anytime. Because my shoes should go cross it. Nobody can cross it. And I said, the rain and start fall, it in God. And so I go on. A river running out of blood clot. And now you in the start fall it. All of this, I see you wash over. That kid. No, sir. You want to eat a river, you come. Out where the blood clot. Oh, they want to come from for rock, bro. Clot, you know, for rock there. You're not Turkey here. All of them want to come from Turkey here. Me pussy clad. Where? Alright, river, my river. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Every day?
Women just lose them rope.
First class. Oh my God.
I don't understand. Suppose. Yes. We're Christian. Jesus Christ. Yo.
Nigla the gully, man. Watch it. There two more dogs them here. Where the blood clot so much dog come from? Alright, pan up. Watch out. It's a bunch of dogs. Where the blood clot this? When you stay up on the doggy, the dog them a ride the raft. God knows, sir. I will never smarty show them way. No, sir. God know people. Yeah, you know see them up on the dog, them rafting. God know my people. You know, share the life, share the life. Big things are going on here, so.
Easy superpower.
Jamaica, me unruly.